Every week, new tools drop, and most of them honestly not worth your time. But this week, 5 launched, and one of them might seriously change how developers fix broken code. Here are the only ones you need to know about. It's 2 am, your app is broken. Users are mad. You are digging through a mountain of data, logs, dashboard, error messages, trying to figure out what went wrong. An hour later, you still have no clue. Yeah, that's a nightmare, and that's exactly what Metoro wants to fix. Metoro basically an AI assistant that watches your entire backend. That's all the behind the scenes stuff that makes your app work. Your data, your servers, everything. If you are a developer running complex apps, especially with lots of small connected services, this could save your hours of panic. Seriously, keep this on your radar, it's impressive. If you are building anything with AI, pay attention. Glassbrain is a debugging tool, meaning it helps you find and fix problems, but specifically for AI apps. Here's how it works. It records every single step your AI takes from start to finish. Then it shows you whole process visually like a map you can click through. But here's the part that got me. You can change any input at any step and instantly see what would have happened instead. No rebuilding, no waiting, just tweak it and replay. Right there. B150 is a community platform made for people who build AI stuff, a place to show off your projects, get feedback, and find people to work with. Right now, AI builders are spread everywhere. Twitter, Reddit, Discord, Product Hunt, there's no one place to go. B150 wants to be that place. But here's the thing, platforms like this only work if enough people actually use them. That's called a network effect. The more people join, the more useful it gets. NMI Payments. It helps app accept money and manage transactions. If you are building an app that needs to handle payments and you want options beside the big names like Stripe, sure, take a look. But nothing here is groundbreaking. It works, it finds. That's about it. Second, Requiem API. This gives developer ready-made backend feature they can plug into their apps. Think of it like building blocks or the behind the scenes stuff. The problem, their website doesn't clearly explain what specific problem it solves better than what already exists. It's too vague right now. If they make it clear, I will come back to it. But for now, can't recommend something I can't fully understand. Metoro and Glassbrain are the winners this week. Both solve real painful problems. Both work right now. B150 is a cool idea that needs time. NMI works but doesn't stand out. And Requiem needs to explain itself better. I do this every single week, break down new tools, tell you what actually good and what just noise. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe button. I will see you next week. Peace.